Let's make a YouTube banner that is going to fit into your YouTube banner the very first time the right way. And it's also going to be perfect for all devices. And to do that, we're going to use Canva. And by the time we get finished, you're not going to want to throw your computer out the window anymore. So in order to start to create the YouTube banner design, you can go here to type in YouTube banner, or you can go over here to create design and type banner, or you can go here to templates and look up a YouTube banner templates. That'll give you some ideas. But if you type in here YouTube banner, all these templates, you do not want to use these because they are not set to properly fit in the area of the banner where it needs to be. So you can use these for ideas and creative juices, but not to actually use them as templates, which is what I'm going to show you what to do now. So we're going to go here to create a design and type in YouTube banner here, which I've already done. So I will simply just click YouTube banner. The most important thing that we want to do to get the proper dimensions for the YouTube banner is to utilize these rulers, right? And in order to get those rulers, if they're not popping up on your YouTube banner template here, you want to go to File and then go to Settings and choose Show Rulers and Guides, right? So I already have mine turned on, as you can see here, and they are ready to go. So I'm going to give you the measures, and once these measures are put in here, we're good to go. We can use this template from now on for any YouTube banner that we want to make. So the left-hand side is going to be 507. So let's go to 507. There it is right there. And the right-hand side is going to be 2053. So we will go to 2053. I'll leave it at 52. Sometimes it's not perfect, but it depends on your mouse. Mine isn't that sensitive. So then the bottom margin is going to be 932. For the top margin, we're going to, there we go, 508. All right, this is the most difficult thing you're going to do is right here. You're done. This is your template for your YouTube banner. You're going to use it for every banner on any YouTube page you have. This entire page here is what would show on a television, right? That device works. And then this whole line across the middle here would be tablets and laptops. And right here in the middle is going to be what would appear on a cell phone. And if you think about it, most people use their cell phones. So this is going to be your most important area here. So we're going to make a YouTube banner for someone named Susie who has a graphics program. So we're going to go here to Elements, and I'm going to choose this background because it's very colorful. In order to fill the page, if we just drag it over and hold it slightly, it will fill the page. So there is our background for that. I like it for graphics because it's very colorful. And then we're going to take Susie here, and we're going to put Susie in the picture. But you'll notice that she's got a background, so we want to get rid of that. And we simply go up here to the background remover. Now the background remover is on a paid version of Canva, but I'm going to show you in a second how you can get the free one and do the same thing that we're getting ready to do right now. So I just click background remover and boom, it takes the background out and we can put Miss Susie right here. Now, if you want to do this for free and you're using the free version, which is absolutely fine, you can go here to remove.bg, and then I've already downloaded that picture, so we can just drag the picture in and it will remove the background, and we simply download it and upload it into Canva. There you go, upload it into Canva and use that. So how cool is that? So, you can work with the free version of Canva. And it's important to remember when you do your background, it covers everything, not just the square in the middle, because don't forget, this will be the television view, and then this long piece here will be the tablet and laptop view. So you want the whole part to be covered. Now let's put some text in there. We'll go here to text. I'm going to choose a specialty. Let me move myself out of the way here. I'm going to use a specialty text for her. And I think what I'll do is I will just type in here, Susie's graphics. Yeah, that looks kind of cool. And I like the way that the green is picking up everything here. And then it's a little bit, and this little circle here will allow us to do the rotate feature. So we're going to rotate and we'll move it down here. And don't forget, all this stuff is fitting in this box here. And I think what I'm going to do is get rid of the bottom half of Susie, I think, so that it doesn't look like it's floating in midair. There we go. And that way when it goes on a TV, she's not like, so she's just floating there. And then you can add some text in here for the business, whatever you want to add. I'm going to go here to the text box and add a text box. I want to change this font to something a little bit more simple. Let's see, change it there. And I'm going to say something like new videos every week. Yeah, that works. And I'll make it a little bit smaller. Oops. Let me undo that move. I love the undo button. I'd be lost without it. I'm sure everybody else feels the same way. Okay, and then I'm going to take this and I'm going to put it here. That's still a little too big. Okay. And then I'm going to make this font black. So I just go up here to the letter and then choose a color. And there is the change. So, you know, you can move it around any way you like. But for me, that's basically it. That gives you an idea of what you would want to put in there. And again, you can change it. You can put your own logo in there. You can put an outline around her if you like. And if you want, I will show you how to do that. In order to do that, we would simply highlight the image. And then we would edit the image. And I like to choose shadows. And from there we would choose the blur. Let's see, where's the blur? Oh, glow. We'll choose the glow. So it puts a little glow around her. We would choose the size of the glow around her. As you can see, I'm making it larger and smaller. So we'll make it about like that. That color is actually very nice because when I went to white, it really didn't show that much. So I kind of like another color around her. Kind of like that, or this kind of a turquoisey color, which I thought was nice. Anyway, so that's how you put a frame around the image. And basically that's about it. So now we're going to download this, and then we're going to upload it. And there you go. See, this is viewable on all devices. And here it is on a television, a cell phone, and the computer. So let's just take a look. I'm going to publish this and we'll take an actual look at the channel. And you see, if you use that template, and don't forget it has to be smaller when you download it, it has to be smaller than 6 megabytes or it won't populate. It'll tell you that it needs to be smaller. So let's view the channel. And how cool is that? So that, my friends, is how you put a banner on your YouTube channel without throwing your computer out the window. So thanks everybody, and stay tuned for the next video. We're going to do some on putting your thumbnails in and how to make a very attractive thumbnail using Canva, and also how to put the little subscribe button. If you'd like to know more about that, we'll be doing those as well.